Hi guys, today we're going to solve LeetCode question number 2302, which is count arrays with score less than k. The description here says that the score of an array is defined as the product of its sum and its length. For example, the score of array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 into 5, which is the length of the subarray, and it is equal to 75. So here, given a positive integer array nums and an integer k, return the number of non-empty subarrays of nums whose score is strictly less than k. A subarray is a contiguous subsequence of elements within an array. Okay, so for an example, the input array is given as 2, 1, 4, 3, 5, and here the value of k is equal to 10. So we will evaluate each subarray and its length, and then we will find if the sum and multiplication of the subarrays is less than equal to 10 or not. If yes, then we will count it and we will give it as output. Now let's move to the solution approach. Okay, so for this approach of this question, we will use a sliding window approach. We will generate a window and take a count of length of that subarray. Okay, and then we will check the condition if the sum of subarray into length of subarray is less than equal to k or not. We will then shrink the window accordingly. Then we will increment the value of count at the end of each iteration of for loop by the value end minus start plus 1, as all the subarrays contained in that till that window will be a valid subarray for that condition, and at the end we will return the value of count. The time complexity of this approach is big O of n, as we are iterating at most twice through this nums array, and the space complexity will be big O of 1, as we are not using any other data structure for evaluating this. Okay, so now let's move to the code. Firstly, we will initialize the value of L as 0 as per given in the template of sliding window, and then we will have the variable sum as count as long data type, and we will extract the value of length of the nums array into variable n. Now we will generate a for loop for n for r for the right index, and then we will have the sum of the nums at position r. We will have another while loop where the condition would be sum into the length of the subarray is greater than equal to k. We will generate that loop till this condition. Now we will change the value of sum as sum minus equal to nums of L, because we have to decrement that value from the sum and we have to increment the value of the left index to shrink the array. Now we will update the value of count as r minus L plus 1, and at the end we will return the value of count. Okay, so we will now return it. Okay, now let's run the code, and it passes all the test cases. Now let's submit it. And it meets 100% of the solution. And if you have any query, you can connect with me on LinkedIn, or you can comment on this video also. Thank you.